It's easy to edit the details of a project, such as the contact information, the address, and the staff assigned to that project. On the home page, or anywhere in DesignerLogic really, where you see the three-dot menu for a project, just hover over it, click on Edit Project Details. And here you can upload a logo or an image of the project. You can change any of the contact information. And you can also assign or remove staff from that project, and if they're not assigned to it, they cannot access the project. Then down below we have all the address information, and you can also update the tax rates and tax descriptions as well. And when you finish a project, just enter a date for that project being finished, and that will take it from the active list. And if you want to actually make a project inactive and you don't need to view it anymore, just click on the inactive checkbox and that will remove it from your list. It will not delete any of the work from that project. Click update and you're good to go. There's another place you can do this if you are on the project dashboard. And here up at the top under the Edit Add menu, just click on Edit Project Details from there. And that will give you the same form where you can edit all that information.